Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a joystick with your microcontroller or an Arduino or any other device. But before of all, you need to know that the principal idea is this joystick works as two potentiometers. The first one for the x-axis and the second one is for the y-axis, and also a button here. This is its name is SW. And now let's test our joystick. And as we said, this potentiometer, this joystick works like a potentiometer. For that, we will compute the resistance of if this joystick changes its position. And as you can see here, the GND, and here it's with the x-axis, Vx. So now, as you can see here, 4.7 kilo ohms, and like that, it changed the output, and there, and for now, and same thing for the y-axis. And now let's do a small application or a small code to print that with the Arduino. So now this is a simple example with the Arduino Uno. As you can see here, all of that is connected to the Arduino Uno. This is the change of x-axis is in pin analog pin A1, and y-axis for analog pin A0, and also 5 volt, and also here the GND, and here is the pin SW, this. And for now, let's make a sample sketch to read that. And this is a sample code to read the axes and also the SW button. And here, as you can see here, our A1 and A2 are the analog inputs, and the digital input is 2. And we name two integers, x position, y position, and also button state. And this is the setup, and also void loop. We read the x pin, and we put this value in x position, and also for others, for the others. And we will print that in the serial monitor, and we will add a delay between reads. And now we upload sketch. And now let's open the serial monitor. As you can see here, this is the reads, and we will change the x-axis, and as you can see here is it changes its value. And now, and we will change the y value, as you can see here, it changed. And now this W button. So thank you for your watching, and I hope that I helped you, and thank you for subscribe, and also leave a comment, and feel free to ask me if you have any question. Thank you.